Okay, this is gonna be a real quick review. I just got these shears here off of Amazon. I mean, they're real nice. I like them. I do have one thing, and it's a problem I'm starting to have with a lot of things on Amazon. They come with no instructions. You're gonna be like, well, why in the world would some shears come with instructions? Well, let's just go through it real quick. So first of all, look at this. They're actually spring loaded. But see, here's the thing. They actually come apart, and I'm pretty sure they're just figuring that you can figure this out, but not everybody can just figure, hey, you got to push this down, and then you can take them apart. Now, you've got yourself a knife. Wow. And a little second knife, and you can do some cool stuff. It's serrated here. Got a bottle opener and everything. Overall, this is really nice. I just wish they had some, even the simplest of instructions. But overall, I'm gonna call this a really nice product, and I would get it here if I were you. I also wish they had some kind of a little lock, and maybe this is what I'm talking about, no instructions. Maybe see, this is what I'm talking about. So I just pulled this out a few moments ago, and I'm like, oh, but look, it does have a locking mechanism. Come back here, push here. See, I got to go figure this out. Would have been great. It's not even on the box. There were no instructions inside. I'm still going to give this a good review because, I mean, you should just feel these in your hands. And it's pretty automatic. Once it's locked down, it is locked down. And just a little quick, boop, you heard that click? And there it is. I just wish that it had some instructions. That's it. Other than that, these are some nice kitchen scissors, supposed to be able to cut through bone and everything. Please forgive my ashy hands.